gonna be about learning through life, and this video is all about going through hardships and trying to recover from them. Something which I'm currently going through as well, and how do you ace it? Like you're going through some problem, for example, and you are just thinking that how can I make this better, and how can uh, I be my best self to face this problem, for example. So, what happens is that, for example, you have a problem, right? And that's bothering you. And maybe day in and day out, you're just thinking about that problem. And the solution may be something like which you can't see, right? So there are some things which is not under your control, and maybe you don't know what is going to happen. Like you can't foresee it, like it will get better, or obviously we are taught that whatever we go through, we eventually recover from it, and we face it, and we become a better person, and it fades away. Like it's just that you're going through a hard time, you will always go through a hard time, and then eventually you will start having a good time, and you will be better, and then you will realize at one moment that okay, I went through that, and it also passed away, and things got better. Like this is the whole analogy, or I may say that what is life about, right? um, Good times as well as bad times. At times it's more like a neutral thing which is going on. You not know much that if it's like you are happy also, you feel bad as well, and it's like normal, right? um I feel there are days that you are like, okay, ab to nahi hoga. Like I can't take it more, and you are like, I want to give up or things like that. But eventually, you have to find the courage within to actually go through stuff. Uh, I feel that we mostly live in the past or in the future, right? We are never present in the moment, because either we are remembering the happy stuff, or remembering the stuff which happened at your past, and have like feeling good about it. But but what happens is that if you see, that is one part which you think about. Then there is a part which you foresee in your future, that that okay, this will happen, then you'll have fun. This will happen, then it will give you happiness. This is what you're looking forward to, and stuff like that. We are always in between, thinking of like what was in the past and being happy about it, or thinking that okay, I'll experience that in the future and I'll be happy about it. We are never in the moment, I feel. And coming back to what topic we are talking about, is that getting through a problem. And I feel how do we get through problems is by facing it, obviously. uh, if you have a certain problem, how are you putting your right amount of efforts to actually solving it, right? And it's not one day if you put effort in that and it will get solved, right? First of all, analyzing the problem, right? Why did it come? From where did it come? And not ponder upon all those things, and just think that okay, what's done is done. How do I see myself fixing it, right? How do I fix this? What are the steps which I am gonna take? It shouldn't be like huge steps, right? If it's huge, then you have to cut down into small parts which you can actually do, right? And then try to do those for a better outcome. And trust yourself. Trust yourself that you can do it. Like whatever it is, you can do it. I know from a person who is like me, saying that okay, things will be good and things won't be uh, like everything will be okay. That's something everyone says, and at a point I feel it doesn't make sense because we just don't believe it, right? Because everybody says that it's gonna be okay, it's gonna be okay. And I feel in our back of our mind, if somebody else was going through the same problem, we should also go to the person and say that it will be okay, because we know that things will fall into place at one moment. But um, but yeah, like, it's the same that we can give that preaching to someone else and it will be okay. But if you're going through a certain thing right now with yourself, uh, things like that maybe doesn't give you happiness, or like doesn't make you feel more like comfort. um, and I feel that is the time you seek comfort from others, so that you feel good about yourself and you feel that okay, you can go through it. um, I feel when you have a problem, you have to face it alone. I know there will be always people for you and with you, but not always. Matlab, it's like that sometimes you have to face things alone. You will have support. Will have people around you vouching for you and everything, but there will be always times that you have to face things on your own and put the right amount of efforts with yourself and for yourself. um yeah, and I feel that's how we face any problem, or go through it in a wise manner. um and yeah, obviously, to add on, like, we can obviously talk to our friends, our parents, our siblings, or anyone, like anyone who makes us feel better. um and sometimes I feel that maybe the problem you are going through is something what your friends must have not faced, or anyone whom you knew um, has not faced the same. But in that case, you can reach out to people and never be scared of it. Like, reach out to anyone, go on events which you like, where you think you will find people at the same thing, and just talk to them. Sometimes talking to people give you good insights. Maybe they'll let you know their own experience and you can be inspired from it. And keep on inspiring yourself, um, and never think that it's not gonna be okay, I feel, because eventually everything um, like turns out to be good and it's okayish. So yeah, um more power to you. I know it's very difficult to go through problems and you know just face it and just go through it. I know there are like days you just want to cry. There are days where you just don't want to meet people. You want to just stay in your own space and just figure things out. There are a lot of doubts which come in your mind, that am I doing this right? Am I doing what I should have done, or what should I do next, and everything. But I feel that everything has an answer, and it's okay if things you did not make sense and did not land up as you thought it would be. But eventually, what things happen, it happens for a reason, right? So it's just that taking your own mistakes and thinking how you can better it, not better the mistake, like, but how you can better approach the problem. uh, yeah, and just having the confidence in yourself that you can do it, I feel that does that does the whole trick of having so much confidence in yourself, uh, that you make it through. So this is a gyan which I want to give, and I hope that uh, your problem gets fixed like soon, 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 and God hears you, because I to pray to God and I'm like, please, 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 please fix this problem. And obviously, with additions of me doing the required amount of effort also to fix it. Yeah, that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. um, have a nice day.